Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a YouTuber, content creator, or just getting started, this video is going to be super helpful for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use Canva, a free online tool to design professional, eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. This is an educational tutorial perfect for beginners, and by the end of it, you'll know exactly how to create thumbnails that get clicks, improve watch time, and boost your channel's growth. So let's get started. Why thumbnails matter. Before jumping into Canva, let's talk about why thumbnails are important. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see before they click your video. It decides whether someone scrolls past or taps to watch. A good thumbnail improves click-through rate, CTR, video view, branding. So let's learn how to design them the right way using Canva for free. Signing up and accessing Canva. Step 1. Head to www.canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook account. It's 100% free. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top and type YouTube thumbnail. Click on the template that says 1280 x 720 px, which is the standard size for YouTube thumbnails. Choosing a template. Canva offers hundreds of free templates. You can browse by category: beauty, tech, travel, education, etc. Choose a layout that suits your video style. Pro tip: even if you're using a template, always customize it to match your channel's look and feel. Customizing your thumbnail. Now the fun part: customizing your thumbnail. Step by step. Upload your photo. Click uploads. Upload your image, face, product, etc. Change the background. Click the background. Choose a new color or use Canva's free photos. For clean, modern designs, stick with bright, solid colors. Add text. Click text. Add heading. Use bold fonts, and keep the text short and punchy. Examples. Don't. How to cook the best chicken recipe ever. Do. Best chicken recipe. Add elements. Search for icons, arrows, emojis under Elements tab. Use just 1-2 extras to keep the design clean. Adjust layout. Drag and resize images or text until everything looks balanced. Design tips that work. Here are a few pro design tips to make your thumbnails stand out. Use contrasting colors like yellow text on black or white backgrounds. Add a drop shadow to text for visibility. Use close-up facial expressions. Human faces equals more clicks. Keep it simple. Don't overload with too many elements. Make sure it's readable on mobile. 70% of views come from phones. Download and upload. Once you're happy with your design, click share. Download CSV or JPG, and make sure size is under 2 MB. Now go to YouTube Studio, select your video, upload your custom, professional thumbnail is live.
Final thoughts and tips. Thumbnails might look simple, but they're one of the most powerful tools to grow your YouTube channel. Remember, design for clicks. Keep it clean. Stay consistent with your channel branding. The more you practice, the faster and better you'll get. And with Canva, you don't need to be a graphic designer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling us what kind of thumbnail you'll design next. Also, if you want a tutorial on Canva Pro features or how to design channel banners, let me know. Until next time, happy designing!